Yes, guys, thank you so much for joining. And today we'll be studying coding, decoding. This is another chapter, coding, decoding. And before I start this chapter, you can expect like one or two questions from this coding, decoding, right? Because again, what I observed was that the two model test papers that I have taken, two model papers I took, and each of them I found at least two questions. It was even more than that. Okay. So you should expect two questions. Two questions is like plus 6 marks, right? So it's going to help you clear the cutoff for sure. Coding, decoding also the order of the English alphabets, the position, it might be required. Okay, it's pretty much the same, but even if you don't know it, it won't make much of a difference. Okay, because the reasoning over here is completely intuitive in nature, right? It doesn't really have to be taught. Everybody knows A is at 1 position, B is at 2 position, C is at 3 position. If you don't know, it is written over here, right? Please keep that in mind. Right, guys? Okay. A1, B2, C3, D4, E5, F6, and all. Okay. So E, J, O, T, Y. We talked about. Okay. Do you remember it this way? E, J, O, T, Y. 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Right. And then we have LG, V, LG, V, B, Q. Right. So this is at your 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25th question. One moment. VQ 15, L is correct. L, and where is this 10th one? L, how come L, Q, V. Okay, L, Q, V, sorry. This order, the other side, it gets sometimes little dicey for me. It will get dicey for every one of us. Okay. So V, Q, and then L, Q, V, then G and B. Okay. So remember it this way 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. To be very honest with you guys, look, the reverse one, the usage will be very less. Okay. So whether you know it or you don't know it, you might not even want to pay that much attention. Okay. But as far as EJOTY is concerned, you should know it. Okay, you should remember it. Okay, so I remember it. That's why it's very easy for me to tell it to you guys. It's EJOTY. Okay, so that's how it is. So with this, we'll move to the question answer. And before I move to the question answer, coding and decoding, all those of you who are like computer science graduates, right? The computer science graduates over there. Uh, so they'll be doing all this coding sort of stuff. Okay. So, print app and something like that and all that. Okay, XYZ things, right? So .pdf, .pdf, it's also a kind of a code, which is a very small code. Okay, right? So the command gets entered into the system and then eventually the output is like PDF format, right? So there is some sort of input and there's some sort of output, right? You put in some input and there's something called output, okay? And why it is all prevalent? Because look, if you are speaking, let's say if you are speaking in some wireless communication, okay, let's say ham radio, because in the fields and all, you won't have any means of communications like we have over here, like mobile phones, cell towers, and etc. So people will talk over there with their ham radios. So in a walkie-talkie, that is the thing, right? So in a walkie-talkie, the problem with walkie-talkie is that you can match the frequency. Okay, let's say the Pakistan's frequency is 100 kilohertz, let's say. Okay, and India's frequency is 101 kilohertz. Okay, so by matching this 101 kilohertz, they can listen to what we are talking, and by matching us to 100 kilohertz, we can listen to what they are talking. Okay, so it needs to be very much important for us to talk it in a different manner. Okay, Okay, let's say I code, let us say, okay, I code some number, for example, 777988965 this number as, okay, this number as, I coded at 880999076. Okay, so I'm communicating this information by doling out this information. So let's say somebody is at the other side, I'll be like, hello, hello, Alpha Charlie, something like that. Okay. So this is 888099076 call. Okay. I'm essentially saying this. Okay. The key is this. The key is this. Okay. Plus one is the key. Plus one is called the key. Using this key, you can decode this message. Right. Okay. So this key will have with the sender and the receiver. That's it. Okay. The sender and the receiver, these two person will only have this key. In between, they won't have any key. Even though they are able to listen, it is 888099076. They won't be able to decipher we are actually talking about this number. Right, guys? So that's why these things become so interesting. So with this, let's jump to the question and answer. What we found out. Yes, over to you. Easy one. Yes, guys, quick. Easy one, very easy one. Today, 14 of you have turned up. It's a good number.
See, sir.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's something like that because it is just getting one more. STUMNO. Okay. Always first two letters from the starting and last two letters from the last two letters. Okay. First two letters and last two letters. Try na solve for that first. So ABRSMNOSTU. Okay. So MNOPQEF. Last two MNOIJ. Do we have something like that? QFJO. 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 Okay. QFJO. There is nothing like that. QFJO. This is all gone. Okay. Now let's check for something else. Like, okay, A also turns to B. Now, what is the difference between this one and this one? There is no point in looking for this one because over here is also O, over here is also that one. Okay. These two seems to have interchanged. So the third last is U, STU. What is the next one? V. So the third last it was supposed to be V and not H. Right. So which one is the correct answer? C is your correct answer. Right, guys? Cool, easy one. Shall we move? Most of the questions will be easy. Majority of that's what I'm telling you. Okay. Like if there's like 30 questions out of it, like 28 will be very easy for you to score. Only those two of the questions will be those type of question on which we spend a lot of time. We have a lot of disagreement. Somebody thinking in X direction, some other person is thinking in Y direction. Right? Yeah. Easy one.
Option B, sir.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay. Browser, just reverse it. Okay. Teacher, just reverse it. So REHCAET. REHC. Where is REHC? REHCAET. REHCTEA. This is not your answer. Obviously, this is your answer. You don't have to tell you that element this and that. You have the clear-cut answer right over here. Right. Shall we move in that case? Yes, guys. Easy one, Madras.
Option B, sir.
Yes, others. Guys, what is happening over
Option
here?
B, sir.
Let's look at this MADRAS. MAD and then RAS. Okay. Okay. So MUM, it will be MUM only. And then by will become IAB. Okay. So which is the answer? B as your answer. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. This one, let's do it little quick. So we'll leave you early if you don't have any doubts. Otherwise, we'll stay back in that case. Again, an easy one. Okay. P Q R S T R R S T U. M, N, O, P, Q, R, A, B, C. That means what is the series going? Plus 3 minus 1, right? Right, guys?
Yes, sir. Option C, sir.
Yeah. So plus 3, if we do R, S, T, U, then what will come? V. Okay. Minus 1 plus 3 R, S, T, U. Okay. So W, X, Y. Y, then between Z, then comes your A. Right? So over here, this A will be replaced with Y. Then M, N, O, P, Q. Okay. M will change like that. E, A, B, C, D, C, D, E. E we need to find. It is going plus 3 minus 1. Okay. Minus 1. I mean, plus 4 and minus 2. Okay. We basically need to leave 3 alphabets. Basically need to leave 3 alphabets or the 4th alphabet. Okay. Or from rth position, the 4th alphabet. Right, from rth position, which one is the 4th alphabet? R, S, T, U, V. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. From after R, leaving R, 4th one. 1, 2, 3. 3 you have to leave in between and then 4th alphabet. Right. So this one is your V. Right. And similarly, in the reverse order, if it is A over here, there is one you need to leave in between. Which one will you leave? Z only, no. X, Y, Z. So Y. So Y, Z. So over here, Y was the core. So V, Y. Where are the V, Y, Q, V? This one is also gone. Okay. Now what are the similarities? Q, V, Y, Q, V, Y, Q. Okay. The last one is F. Okay. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. Okay. So this last one was the minus. We got to go back. Okay. So F, then G, we left it as we are doing minus 1, then H, which is equivalent to this one we are reaching over here. Which one is your answer? C is your answer, guys. Cool. Anybody who is not getting, please stop me then and there and ask me. Right? Shall we move?
Yes, sir.
Easy ones. Let's finish it off. Again, easy one. Just look at the equation. Look at the options. Okay. A, all are A. Then there is no point in checking for the first one. Then if we check for the second one. Sorry? Which one?
Delta.
Okay, delta, fourth one. Okay. So what I'm telling you, how to look at this answer. All the laws is kx, 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 kx are there. So you don't need to check this. You know, if we check whether M or D, the third letter from the right hand side, what is this one? Brazenly, the third letter, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So M, after M, what will come? N will come. So your 3 and 4 already gone. That's it. Now what is the difference? Look at this third letter from the left hand side. Third letter from the left hand side is your A. So the previous one must have been Z, right? So we'll go ahead with A as the answer, right? Right? Who said option D? I mean, you should not feel bad about that choosing option D as your answer. The only thing is that you guys need to be very, very careful. Yes, any dispute with option A as your answer? Or shall we move, guys? Shall we move? It's just E, F, G, M, N, O, C, D, okay, R, S, D, E, M, N, S, T. That's it. That's all plus 1. Okay. Over here also it's the same logic, plus 1, plus 1. So if it is N coming over here, N, let me erase it a bit. So if there over here is n over here, what we see that kx. So what will d will not be closest towards the n. Okay, m n. Okay, the previous one to l n will be what? M only, no. So over here it's d, over here it's d. These two got cancelled. That's it. Right, guys? Then you see over here YD. There's no point in doing that AQ. There's no point in trying to understand that. What we see is A and Z. This is the difference. Right, guys? So A and Z. So over here we need to reach A. That means what will be the code over there? That will be one previous to it. That is Z. Right? And that is why we are going ahead with A as the answer option. Shall we move, guys?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Thank you so much. Yeah. Yes, guys. What do you think about this? Bread is written as JGKXH and dance is written as KITJG. Sorry about that. Yeah. So bread BREADGKXH. DANCE KITGJ. D is at fourth position, A is at one position, M and EJOTY. So EJOTY. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So in dance, D is for 1, M and O. C is 3, E is 5. And then KITST IJK, JK, IJK, IJK, ST, T is 20, G is what? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G is 7, right?
Yes, sir.
E, F, G, H, I, J. J is again 10. Okay. So did we see any similarity between all this? 4 is turning, one moment, KI, then it is becoming KITGJ, right? It is 4, 1, 14, C stands for 3 and 5, right? So let's get it like this. 11, 9, 20, 7, 10. 11, 9, 20, 7, 10. Okay. So this is 7. This is 8. This difference is 6. This difference is 4. And this difference is 5. Right. Let's try and analyze bread as well in that case. BREAD. D is your, D is what number, guys? D is your 4, 1, A, B, C, D, E, 5, R. R, S, T. T is at 20, so R must be 18. R, S, T, B is 2, right? Then your J, G, K, X, H. So J is 10, G is 7, K is 11, W, X, Y. So that is your 23. E, F, G, H, H, I, J. So H, I, J, that means H is your 8. Okay. So 2, it's 8, it's getting 11, and the difference is 6, the difference is 22, the difference is 8. Yes, guys. Yeah.
Sir, bread plus 5, sir, but they have wrote on the last right side, sir. B plus 5, we will get H. H is given on the right side of the right end, sir.
Okay. So they have just reversed it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good one. Thank you so much. So basically D plus 5. So D is 4. B is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. And 23, 10, 6, and ninth position, right? So E, F, G, right? Plus 5. Okay, G, one moment. 23 is X, Y, Z. 10 is what? J. And yeah, almost we are able to see it, yeah. And the 6 is E, J, K. And 9 is I, J, I. Right? Did you miss anything? X is here, K is here, H is missing. Okay, H, I, J. Pretty close, I must say. Right, pretty close. Did we number it correctly? Bread, B is 2, R is 18. R is 18, one moment. Sometimes even I forget. R is 18, E is 5, A is 1, D is A, B, C, D. D is 4. Okay. So plus 5 is your G. Okay. Can we think it like this? Okay. These 1, G, X, J, K. G, X, J, K as jumbled one. So G coming over here like this, and X coming over like this, K coming over in between like this. Okay. And
Add
G,
6, sir, and you numbered X as 23, sir.
sorry,
So we should add 6.
then we are adding only 5 now.
Yes, sir. We have to add 6, and in X you have denoted as 23, sir. Down.
Okay, this is the wrong thing I've done.
Yes, sir.
But what I'm asking is that if grade D is 4, then we'll go ahead with 4 plus 5, 9, no.
Sir, plus 6, sir. Like
Which one
middle
of them
terms
are
are
getting
5.
plus 6?
Like middle we have 5 terms, sir. We are getting
The
5.
last one is 6 plus 6.
Yes, sir.
Last one alone is plus 6.
No, sir. Everything is plus 6, sir. Like B plus 6, we will get H, sir. 8. That we have to write in a reverse way. So it is on right hand side.
Okay, so it is this number will eventually become your 6, then 24, 11, 7, and 10, right? No. So E, F, and X, Y, J, K, E, F, G, J. Did we get all the
2
ones
plus
over
6, 8, sir.
there?
First one. 2 plus 6, 8, sir.
Oh yeah, sorry about that. 8, 5, E, F, G, H. Okay. So it will become your H. Very good observation. Thank you so much. Yeah. So this is like this again is jumbled as reverse way, right? So it becomes like J, G, K, X, H, right?
Yes, sir.
Hell. Hell. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah. I would not have been able to do it without your help. This question for sure. Okay. But we have more such questions. We'll need your help to solve that. Yeah, for sure. Okay. So guys, the logic is pretty much the same. Okay, this number, this DA and CE, this is like 4, 1, 14, 3, 5. The numbering I have done correctly. Plus 6, if you do, it will become like 10. It will become like 7. It will become like 20. Then it will become like 9. And it will become like 11. So it's J, G, I, and what? J, G, T, sorry, T, G, J, T is at 20, T, 9, I, J, and J, K. Okay. So it is like this. We are getting this one, but then again reverse it. Okay. So C is your what? 3, P, Q, O, P, Q, R. 16, 17, 18. Please check the numbers. If at all I give a wrong numbering, please correct me, okay? W, X, Y. So 23. M, N, O. So it is 14 plus 6. Just move it all to one more next 6 position. So it is 9, 24. This is 21. This is 29 and 20. So ninth position is what? I, J. So it is I. 24th position is what? X, Y, X. Okay. And 21st plus T, U. What is 29th position? 29th position is like 26th is like your Z. Okay. 26. Then 27 will be equivalent to 1, 28 equivalent to 2, and 29 equivalent to 3. So A, B, and C. So this will become your C, and this will become your T. So now let's reverse it. What we will get? T, C, U, X, I. Yeah. T, C, U, X, I. Yes, guys. So a few of the questions will be like that as well. Okay. And you need to be able to think it in that direction, right? Thank you so
Yes,
much. Thank you so much, Harita, and thank you so much, all of you, for being so patient with me, not judging me. Okay. And we'll move to the next question. Thank you. Yeah. This also looks a good one. Yes, guys. What do you think about this? Yeah. Let's just write down the numbers in that case.
So,
Yeah.
sir, it's decreasing by difference of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, sir, and in a reverse
Yeah.
order.
M, E, J, O, T, Y. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay. So your T is 20, E is 5, R, S, T is 18, R, S 19, I, J, M, N, O. This one is changing. S, G, W, W, N, S. Right. S, T. So this is like 19, 19, E, F, G, 7, W, X, Y. This is 23, 23, M, N, O. So that's like 14. So it is 9, 4, 3, 9.
Sorry, you have to write it in reverse order.
Need to write it in that reverse order.
Yes, sir, reverse order.
So what is the difference in that case? Okay, okay. So reverse order means let's just write it in and changing the color. We write it like 19, 14, 23, 23, 7, 19. Right? What is that? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Yeah. Very good observation, buddy. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay. So if this much of criteria is getting fulfilled, you don't even need to check the second one. Forget this. Just forget this. If you can do this much of thinking, just go ahead and do it all by yourself. Right. So Mr. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So basically is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 16th. Okay, let it write it over here. Person. Okay, person. Person, what is E is at 5, O is at 15, R, S, T, N is at 14. So what we'll do is that this one we'll do plus 6 for P, we'll do plus 6, but we'll write it at the last. Okay, so 22. Then plus 5, then you write 10 over here, plus 5, plus 4, then you write 22, then plus 3, then you write 9, 3, 22, right? Then again, you will do plus 2, 17, plus 1, 15. So which one is this? 15 is your what? O, O, P, Q, T, U, V, 22 is V, 22 is V, and this one is your J. Yeah. So which one is the correct answer, guys?
Option 2.
Option 2. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your participation. And thank you so much for helping, because it may or may not happen that, it may or may not strike somebody's mind in first hand, right? Okay. It needs to be solved collectively, and that is how we learn, right? And even for me, I've solved this very, very long back. Okay. So thank you so much. Yeah. This one. This is a very interesting topic, I guess. Yeah. So first, let's just try to write down their numbers. 20, ST, shirt, 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 ST, HT is 20, RST, JEFGHIJ, HIJ. Okay. It is written as, so we'll write it again. EFUTU V, E is 5, EFG. Okay. What is the difference over there? Is it all the difference is 13? What is the difference? All the difference is 13, right? So party, PRTY, write it down
Option A,
as,
sir.
yeah, for sure it will be that way. Okay, let's evaluate that. Thank you so much. Yeah. MNOP 16, A is 1, RST, T is 20, Y is 25, plus 13. That means this will what? This will become something like 29, 14, and 31. If I do any calculation mistake, guys, please tell me in case I do something like that. Then 26 is over, minus 26 also you need to do it. Again, it is like 3. 14 will remain 14 because up until 26, only alphabets will get exhausted, right? Minus 26, 5, minus 26, 26, 12. So A, B, C, which one is 14? Just behind this one, M, N, O, 5 is E, and E, F, G, H, K, and J, K, L. 8 is what? H, right? If you do it like this, it will become 7, right? Not 8. So what do we have the answer? C, N, E, G, L. Okay, C, N, E, G, L. Guys, look, if this logic strikes you, okay, if this logic strikes you at the very first time itself, do not do it for all the rest of the alphabets. Do not do it. It's not required. Look at the options. The first one is like C, D, D, C, D, B, D. And the last one is like L, M, L, M. That's it. Okay. So if you can conclude from here, this needs to be broken. This is your key. Okay. This needs to be broken. Once you break this, you are good to go, right? Once you break this, that all are like 13. So you see that on the option also, there's like all, the first options are like, the first one is like C, D, B, D, and things like that. So only if you are able to find out the first one, you are good to go in that case, right, guys? So we'll go ahead with A as the answer. Thank you so much.
Sir, I just want to tell something about that previous question. So
Yeah.
once we found out that how the key is, we can also see that similar words are in that both letters, similar words, letters.
Yeah.
In the shirt, there are RT, and also in the party also RT. So we can directly also seeing that we can eliminate some things like that, sir. So it will be quick to solve it.
Yeah, it's quick to solve it. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Yeah. So RT, that means you mean that there'll be at least two letters from these five alphabets, right? So like FUVEG. Okay, so EG is there. Okay, fine. Okay, there is not F is there. FUVEG. To make your reasoning process a little bit faster, the only problem over here, Vikran, is that it doesn't work all the time, right? So if it works, if it is working this time, do
Yes,
leverage
sir.
it. Okay. If it
I,
is not working, it's okay. No
yes,
problem.
sir.
Yeah. Yeah, but that's a very good observation though. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay. So this is also a good logic. What he is trying to say is that since over here R and T are common, there will be two words in this one which will be common to RT, because over here we have RT, right? RT is common. So out of these five, at least two of, we don't know which two are there, but out of these five letters, at least two needs to be there. Okay. So FUVEG, E is there, G is not there. Okay. EG. So this was your probable answer, right? FU F is there, EG. So this will not be answered, this will not be answered. So you will eventually go ahead with 50-50, right? So out of these five, at least two need to be there in your answer option for sure, right? But just be cautious. Okay, I would say that. Okay, because we'll see such type of questions as well. Yeah, easy one. Let's employ the logic that Vikram said in that case. Okay. TWENTY. Okay, this is 86985. It's like 11 ELEVEN. Okay, 323039. That means E is your 3 for sure. Okay. Basically, this is the code they have already given to you. Just plug this value. T is what? T is your 8. Let me change the color. T is your 8. So let's write T as 8. W as 6. E as your 3. Okay. And yeah. L is your 2. V is your 0. And E again is your 3. Okay. So which one is the answer? 2 or 3. Is the 2 or 3? 2 or 3 is your now first answer. Right, guys? This was easy. Already your code is given. Already your key is already given. Okay, this is a key. Using this key, we need to open this code. Right? Cool, guys. Shall we move?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Interchange this one. Interchange these ones. Interchange these ones. Right?
Option B, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. REPO
RT report.
RT. Yeah. These two interchange, these two interchange, these two interchange. Right? Any one of you having any doubt? A few of the questions will be tough, but these are all very, very old AFCAT question papers. So, the recent ones, you won't get, these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah. These are the only, not this one, 93. Yeah. Only these 4-5 questions I have taken from a model test papers. Okay. It won't be no D-Day. It won't be this stuff like like these two we solved. Okay. Like this one, writing it, getting some number and then reversing it. But yeah, be watchful about that as well. It can happen. Anything. Okay. Anything can happen. Yeah. Yes, guys. What do you think about this?
Sir, -2 + 1, -2 + 1.
Yeah. Here's my pen here. D E F plus 2, M and O, the next one, plus P. Okay. Let's represent it as minus. Okay. From F 2 minus D, E, F from the right to left, and from the next one, Q, R minus 2, and then G, H. So all the even numbers are your 1, 2, 3 are your even numbers. So 1, 2, 3. O, P or S, T, U or S. Okay. So there is S. No S in last. These two gone. Okay. The second one is U. The one is U. Over here is P. Over here is P. Working B same. B same. A same. A same. We need to check for this one. Okay. So over here it is O, M, N, O. So not P. P means P, Q, R will be answered. So that is why we'll go ahead with option number which one?
B, sir. Option B.
Anybody who is not getting, guys? Sure, everybody is getting it. Christy, you are getting it. Jagadeshwari, Shivakumar, Muilan. Are you there, buddy? Muilan, Mateshwaran, Christy.
Yes, sir.
All good, all good. How's the Josh, guys? All good. Hi, hello.
Yes, sir.
Say hi. Say hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
Say it that way, yeah. Why do you guys feel so shy? Come on, easy. If you feel shy, who will listen to you? You won't even speak. First, you need to speak. Do some, break a few glasses. No worries. Over here, nobody will hang you. Right? It's just a class. We are over here gathering, speaking something, some random stuff. Okay. Yeah. This one. A rat is called a dog. How come? Mongoose is called a lion. Lion is called a snake. And a snake is called an elephant. Which is reared as pet?
Rat.
Option C, sir.
So, which is reared as pet? Dog, obviously not lion, snake, or elephant. And dog is coded as what? Rat. So, which one is your answer? Dog or rat? Rat.
Sir,
Yes.
there is some error.
Option
Sir,
C.
rat is called dog. The dog is called mongoose. So mongoose is the answer.
Okay. I mean, are you guys getting the sense? The rat is called dog. Okay, the rat is called dog. There's so many information. The dog is called mongoose. Okay, and the mongoose is called a lion. I just write it this way. Mongoose is called a lion, and lion is called a snake. I mean, we don't need to go there as snake, elephant, and whatnot shit. Okay, we have asked which is reared as pet. Okay, in examination, we have to search if rat is called dog, dog is called mongoose. Just look at it, just look at this portion alone, and don't do all the graffitis that I have done just for the understanding purposes I have done. Okay, so what we will be taking, unfortunately not rat, sorry buddy, and dog is called mongoose. Okay, so we need to be very careful, guys. Even me as an instructor can make mistakes. So you guys are students, right? So aspirants. So you guys will make more mistakes than me, right? So be watchful about all this. Shall we move?
Yes,
Shall we
sir.
move, guys? Let's finish it off. Easy, very easy. Tell STU. I mean +1 or the second position. +1 or the second position. ST. Or let's look at the option first. Okay, let's look at the option first. The first one. Okay, if you find S T U, that means W gone. Then U V U S T U V. Then this one also gone. Okay, U V W. Over here it is V. This is 2 times V and not W. Okay, this is also gone. And over here is W. This one only remaining. A is equal to Z. B is equal to Y. That means what? Position from right is equal to position from left is equal to position from Y from right. Right. What did I tell you? E, J, O, T, Y. E stands for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Right. So A, D, third. Now before solving, look at the question. Okay, look at the question. V. There is no point in solving for the first one. Right. Then we have W. Okay. R. That means we should try to solve this one. I. Okay. I, J. So ninth one from right hand side. Ninth one from the right hand side. One moment, guys. Ninth one from the right hand side is your R. Right? I'm bad at this. The few of the question will be that way. So wherever R is the one, that is okay. Rest all others will go. Where is R? Over here, there is no R. Okay. So option C is gone onto a toss. Then the next one, T. T is like 20. Okay. The 20th one from right hand side. Which one is the 20th one right hand side? It is your G. Right? No. G from right hand side. Backward position. So G. Over here it is L. So G. What is the differentiating factor over here? L. L and V. That means the second last one. O. O means editor. O means 15th one. 15. This is from the left hand side, from the natural its position. Now the 15th from the right hand side. So that is why I was telling you, remember it. 15 from the, where is this? This is L. Okay. Write it down. If you don't know, just write it down. L will be the answer. Okay. Instead of V, it should be L. So which one is your answer? A will be your answer. Right, guys? Right? So with this, we came to an end of coding decoding.